Okay, so we're back, and now we're in the front of the house, and we've got two planters here that we definitely want to replace. So sad. These were beautiful hibiscus, so they just wouldn't take for me. I watered them every single day. I just think maybe the heat got to them this summer. So, RIP hibiscus. So we've just put in our cow manure, and we're gonna just keep on mixing it up. Looks great. Smells great too. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a combination of fall to winter flowers for this arrangement. I'm gonna start with Cordyline Red Sensations. Woo, sensational. We're gonna do two in here in the back so that it looks like a beautiful just backdrop for our color that's going to be right in front. And this is our chrysanthemums, which is going to be our crimson with that yellow starburst that's right inside. That's going to just burst open and have like that two dual color. Then we're going to have our beautiful petunias right here. So we're going to put these like that. I'm going to do probably 3 or 4 of the petunias right in front so that we have a gradual of size. So that way it's not, one's not competing with the other. And then we'll show you the finished products here in just a little bit. Okay, so here's the finished product. So we've got our beautiful petunias, our beautiful crimson mum. We've got our awesome height here in the back, giving us all dimension of size and color. And we're just gonna, give it a little drink and gently water it every day. I can't wait to see the final result. We'll keep you posted. So wishing everybody happy fall and into your holiday season. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you can see more videos like this soon.